What are the popular Python libraries used in data analysis? Python has several popular libraries that are used in data analysis. Some of the popular libraries include NumPy. NumPy is a library used for numerical computing in Python. It provides support for multidimensional array and matrices as well as large collection of mathematical functions. Pandas. Pandas is a library used for data manipulation and analysis. It provides support for data structures such as data frames and series and allow for data cleaning, merging, and reshaping. Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a library used for data visualization in Python. It provides support for creating wide range of charts and graph, including line, scatter, and bar charts. Seaborn. Seaborn is another library used for data visualization in Python. It provides a high-level interface for creating attractive and informative statistical graph. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a library used for machine learning in Python. It provides support for a wide range of machine learning algorithms, including classification, regression, and clustering. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a library used for machine learning and deep learning in Python. It provides support for building and training neural networks and is widely used in applications such as image and speech recognition. PyTorch. PyTorch is another library used for machine learning and deep learning in Python. It provides support for building and training neural network and is known for its ease of use and flexibility. Stats model. Stats model is a library used for statistical modeling and analysis in Python. It provides support for a wide range of statistical tests and models, including regression, time series analysis, and hypothesis testing. SciPy. SciPy is a library used for scientific computing in Python. It provides support for a wide range of scientific and mathematical functions, including optimization, signal processing, and linear algebra. NLTK. NLTK is a library used for natural language processing in Python. It provides support for a wide range of tasks related to text processing and analysis, including tokenization, stemming, and sentimental analysis. These libraries provide a powerful and flexible toolkit for data analysis and data scientists to analyze and model complex data set. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.